How to fix Epic Games sign-in failed. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Then what you can do is just make sure that you have the latest version of the Epic Games application on your device. Next, what you can do is make a long press on the Epic Games application and then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of storage. As you go to storage, you'll be able to see the option of clear it at the bottom of the screen over here. So tap on that and you'll be able to delete all the cache as well as data if required. Then go back and tap on app permissions and make sure that you toggle on the required permissions. Right now, there are no permissions that are required or allowed. After that, go back and tap on power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device. And this might fix Epic Games sign-in failed issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.